Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're gonna try, like we try always to do something new, we're gonna try to mix acrylic with soap and silicone. Last time we did it with only soap, and it did give us a great result. So I don't quite know what's gonna happen, because the mix together with the both of them, it seems a bit strange, because one has the tendency to create more cells, and soap has the tendency to eliminate cells. So I don't know what's going to happen. Well, we're going to try and see what happens. So guys, another one finished. As always, as I'm talking to you, it's not yet dry, but like always, like we do all our flip cup and fluid and pouring whatever you want, it's changed as time goes by and as it dries. So I think this time we have an interesting result. We have a nice one. There's cells forming everywhere in unusual place though. They're forming not like they did before. Of course, it's because of the soap we put and mix with the silicone, that's for sure. But you know what? It's a great result. The only thing that maybe I did a bit wrong is that I put a little bit too much water. I think our acrylic was too fluid to do this. Still, it looks great, but I think if it would have been a little bit thicker, it would have been even greater. So anyway guys, another time we're going to try it a little bit more thick, and I think maybe it's going to be next time, I don't know. So anyway, the result is nice. I think it's a nice way to go about it. As you see it now, it's dry. Well, you see it dry, and like I said, I think it's an interesting way to go about it, and it's something to try. So guys, anyway, I hope you enjoy. I hope, like always, you're going to subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So I hope to see you next time on the next painting video. Take care. Ciao.